Walking out the door today, you don't have anything to worry about now.
Yeah, if you're flying today, no issues out there at the airports. No weather-related travel delays out there. We'll get you out to Clyde Warren Park if you're trying to get out, maybe get that little walk in before you head off to work. Little exercise in, not going to have any issues. Now, it's breezy, it's warm, kind of humid heading out this morning. 72 degrees we're looking at heading out to Clyde Warren. We'll have those low 70s all around, heading out to Weatherford at 73, along with Grand Prairie, 71 in Plano, and McKinney coming in at 71 as well. Now, as we go through the day, we do warm up today. It is going to be in the mid 80s for the most part today, low to mid 80s, even some upper 80s, I think, a little farther west. So those south winds, 15 to 25, they will be gusty today, and we are going to have mostly cloudy skies. You can kind of feel it out there. It is going to be breezy, warm, and humid today, kind of setting this up for these showers and thunderstorms we expect as we go through the next few days. Now, tonight, we will see some thunderstorms that do fire up out to our west. Looks like these will weaken, though, as they head into North Texas as we get into the evening hours. So our western counties can't rule out some strong and severe thunderstorms late this afternoon, heading into the evening. This is around 8 p.m. But notice how those storms do start to collapse. They will weaken as they move on into North Texas, but can't rule out a few stray showers and thunderstorms, maybe lingering into the early overnight as we head into tonight. Now, the severe weather threat, you see that does stay well west as we go through the day today, but maybe scooting our far western counties with that marginal risk for the hail and wind threat. That's going to be later on today. Now, as we get into Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms get a little bit closer to North Texas in the afternoon hours. Here comes that next round of thunderstorms moving in. That's going to be Tuesday afternoon, heading into the evening hours. So we do have the weather alert day because the next round of thunderstorms working their way in on Tuesday afternoon and evening. And those will continue, you see, around 10 p.m. heading on into the overnight hours on Wednesday as well. So that's a storm threat does increase just a little bit, still marginal to slight, with hail and wind being the main concerns. But you see that slight risk area pushing a little further into North Texas there, including areas out toward Gainesville, Decatur, down toward Mineral Wells, with that marginal risk approaching the Metroplex. Now, it does look like Wednesday will be our best chance for some widespread, potentially severe weather, along with locally heavy rain. You see the widespread thunderstorms as we get into Wednesday afternoon, probably late morning into the afternoon hours. The storms really start to increase in coverage, especially as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening across our area. And then those begin to move to the east as we get into Wednesday night. And we'll catch a little bit of a break, I think, on Thursday. But you see that slight risk for the severe thunderstorms on Thursday, with the hail and wind again being the main concerns for us. And we could see some potentially heavy rain across the area as well. So stay tuned as we continue to make updates to that forecast. And we'll continue to see the rain and thunderstorms through the end of the week. Look how widespread it will be on Wednesday, a nearly 100% coverage. A little bit of a dip in the rain chances on Thursday. So I think we will get through Thursday dry, but then Thursday night going into Friday, scattered thunderstorms back in the forecast. So here is what it looks like over the next 14 days for you, with those storm chances continuing right through the end of the week. And we'll carry those into the upcoming weekend as well. For next weekend, Saturday and Sunday, about a 40 to 50% coverage. And then the second part of that 14-day forecast, as we get into the first full week of May there, we're talking about those temperatures in the lower 80s, and we'll go with partly to mostly sunny skies through the end of next week. All right.